Hello student. Today we are going to start with chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. Now what are symbol of electric components? This is electric cell and here you can see the symbol. Second is electric bulb and you can see the symbol. Please draw in your notebook these symbols. Now this is the symbol of off and this is the symbol of switch on. The fifth one is of battery and the sixth one is of wire. This also you can see in your textbook where you can see the electric components and its symbols. Now what is electric cell? It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. We all know that in our cell there are two terminals. One is positive where there is a plus sign and second is negative where there is a minus sign. The symbol of an electric cell has a longer line and a shorter line. We all know that in electric cell there is one longer line and there is one shorter line. The longer line is a positive terminal and the shorter line is a negative terminal. Battery. A battery is a combination of two or more cells. In a battery, the positive terminal is of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of another cell. Device like torch, transistor, toy, TV, remote control use batteries. We know that in various things we use batteries. In our TV remote control also we use the batteries. Now a simple electric circuit. How to draw a simple electric circuit? One circuit diagram is in a close where your bulb will glow and one in which the circuit is open in which your bulb will not glow. A simple electric circuit can be used by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and a wire. At home you can try this experiment. Take one cell and take one wire and put one little bulb, and if you combine the positive and the negative terminal, and then you can see the bulb will start to glow. The bulb glow only when the switch is on the on position and when the circuit is closed. We all know when the switch is on then only the bulb will glow, and if the switch is off your bulb will not glow. So if the circuit is closed, if the closed electric circuit, then your bulb will start to glow. Now heating effect of an electric current. When an electric current flows through a wire, the wire get heated and this is called the heating effect of electric current. Make an electric circuit as shown in the figure. Take a 10 mm long wire and tie it between the two nails. Switch on the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire will hot. We know that if we take a wire and if a wire in which the electric current passes, and after some while if we touch the wire will feel hot. Then switch off the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire again. It does not feel hot. This shows that when an electric current flows through a wire, it gets heated. Now using of heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current is used in electric appliances like electric heaters, electronic iron, electric rooms heater, your heaters, your electric kettle, your hair dryers, etc. All these appliances have a coil of wire core and an element. When an electric current flows through the element, it becomes hot and hot gives out the heat. We know that all the electric appliances that we use, such as your iron or such as your heater or such as your electric heater, they all have a coil, and if this coil get heated or it get hot, it gives out the heat. The amount of the heat produced in the wire depends upon its material, its length and thickness. Now what is electric fuse? You have seen electric fuse in your home, and in each and every house there is an electric fuse. Here you can see the diagram of the electric fuse, or the figure is drawn where the electric fuse are used in your building. Now electric fuse is a safety device used in the electrical circuit which protects the electric circuit and appliance for prevent fire. If we keep the fuse in our home, then it saves or it protects our home from any types of electrical shock or current, and even from the fire. If there is a high dose of electric current, then this circuit will break down and it will not affect your house. So fuse help to prevent the fires or an electric circuits in their appliance. Electric fuse is used in all electric circuits in the building. An electric fuse have a wire which melts quickly and break down when the large electric currents flow through it. So if there is high amount of electricity coming, then the electric fuse will melt quickly and it will break the circuit. Now, magnetic effects of the electric current. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Activity. Take the cardboard tree from a matchbox. Wind an electric wire a few times around the cardboard tree. Place a small compass needle inside it. Connect the free end of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. When the switch is on, the compass needle deflects, and when the switch is off, the compass needle comes back to its original position. This shows that when the electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. So from this experiment, we can say that an electric current flows, then the wire behaves like a magnet. Now, electromagnet. What is electromagnet? When an electric current is passed through a coil of an insulated wire wound around a piece of iron, it becomes a magnet. Such a magnet is called electromagnet. A piece of insulated wire around an iron nail in a form of coil. Connect the free end of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. Place some pins near the nails. When the electric current is passed, the iron nails becomes a magnet and attracts the pins. And when the electric current switch off, the nail lose its magnetism. Now, what is electric bell? An electric bell has a coil of a wire wound around a piece of iron which acts like an electromagnet. An iron strip with a hammer is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in a contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil and becomes an electromagnet. It pulls the iron strip, and the hammer at the end of the strip strikes the gong of the bell and it produces the sound. When the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it breaks the circuit and the iron strip comes back to the original position, and this process repeats and the bell rings. So whenever the bell rings, there is a process of electromagnet in it. So this is the completion of your chapter number 14. Thank you, children.